Hi there, it's me, Jana of Kong English. I'm going to talk about the book Talk, Talk, Talk. The first step in starting a conversation is your greeting. This is what you say at the very first moment that you see someone or speak on the telephone. And this is the first impression a new person will have about you when you speak. When greeting someone, it is important to use the appropriate level of formality for each situation. Are you comfortable using formal, professional, or casual greetings in English? Do you know when to use them? This is exactly what this book will help you do so you can greet others in English with confidence in any situation. This book contains lively, interesting topics over a wide range of human experience, a number of sometimes outrageous opinions, imagined dialogues between two different people, and much good sense. The main purpose of this book is for students to respond with their own ideas in their own words. Let's now check on the book. We have here Part 1, Answer the Questions. Part 2, Everyday Questions. Part 3, Let's practice making questions. And part 4, what do you think? Let's check part 1, lesson 1. What do these signs mean? Obviously, you just have to answer the question. A picture or a sign will be available, and the question is, how are you gonna answer these questions? Simple. Answer the what. What sign? When? When do you see this sign? Where? Where can you see this sign? And last, why? Why does this sign exist? Next is the part 2, everyday questions, which is obviously everyday questions. So this goes with, do you like questions? Do you think? What questions? Who, where, why, when, how, have you, I wonder, how. Let's check the lesson 5. Do you like to watch TV? Do you like to watch TV? Okay, so first answer the question, do you? Then include it with when and why. Next is the part 3, practice making questions. So in this book, it will focus on the WH questions. Always remember the function of every question word. I have here the question words and the functions. Question word, what? Functions, asking for information about something, asking for repetition or confirmation. Example, what is your name? What? I can't hear you. You did what? Next, what for? Asking for a reason, asking why. What did you do that for? When? Asking about time. When did he leave? Where? Asking in or at what place or position. Where do you live? Which? Asking about choice. Which color do you want? Who? Asking what or which person or people. Who opened the door? Whom? Asking what or which person or people is an object. Who did you see? Whose? Asking about ownership. Whose are these keys? Whose turn is it? Why? Asking for a reason. Asking what for. Why do you say that? Why don't? Making a suggestion. Why don't I help you? How? Asking about manner. How does this work? Asking about condition or quality. How was your exam? How plus adjective or adverb. Asking about extent or degree. How far? Distance. How far is Pattaya from Bangkok? How long? Length of time or space. How long will it take? How many? Quantity. Countable. How many cars are there? How much? Quantity. Uncountable. How much money do you have? How old? Age. How old are you? How come? Informal. Asking for reason and asking why. How come I can't see her? And lastly, the part 4, what do you think? In answering the questions, utilize the pictures as well as your imagination. Let's try to look at the lesson 24. What's happening? Obviously, the crowd is rushing to the store. So what are the reasons you buy things in a local store? Well, when we say local store, it's somewhat neighborhood market. And in Philippines, there are lots. I like it because it's more convenient. At least, I don't have to hang around in a very spacious supermarket. It's some kind of waste of time for me. I don't like strolling around so much, and every time I need to go to buy somewhere, I just directly go to that area and then get what I need, and that's all. I hate window shopping. You might know what I mean. And then number 3, what are the reasons you buy things in a supermarket? Obviously, to buy necessities. Be sure to share your experience and ask questions from your teacher. Don't forget to check your teacher's feedback after your class so you may review your errors and see their comments. Also, don't forget that you may write a composition after your class review and wait within a day, that is 24 hours, for your teacher's feedback. Enjoy your class and see you in our next video.